A shadow whispers through the night, unseen yet ever near. Their mask reflects no soul's delight, just the flame they hold so dear. They walk the path of covered schemes, a puppeteer's delight. Not for the power, not for the screams, but for the act, they're right. In the silence of manipulation's thread, they find their greatest spark. A flame that feeds on what's unsaid, thriving in the dark. Oh, covert, malignant narcissist, your joys are hidden fire. No applause, no throne persist, just your ceaseless desire. The act itself, your boundless feast, the mirror to your soul. Covert narcissist, the game's the beast that keeps you whole. That keeps you whole. Not tied to the outcome, not bound to the crowd. The self-admiring echoes loud. The strings they pull, the webs they weave. It's in their nature to deceive. But it's not the hurt, it's not the fall, it's the art of it all that enthralls. Through the stars of endless void, their path seems free yet self-destroyed. An identity forged in shadows deep, the eternal flame they alone can keep. Oh, covert, malignant narcissist, your joys are hidden fire. No applause, no throne persist, just your ceaseless desire. The act itself, your boundless feast, the mirror to your soul. Covert narcissist, the game's the beast that keeps you whole. That keeps you whole. Through the seas of stolen dreams, through the halls of veiled regimes, the covert flame, it burns so bright in their own shadows, endless night. Covert, malignant narcissist, the mirror calls your name, forever lost within the mist, bound to your endless flame. The game persists forevermore.